Number 1, describe the relationship between the input and output values in the example. The output is 4 times the input value. I found that by finding the unit rate. I go up 1 each time, and here I'm going up 4 each time. It is 4 times larger. Number 2, can you represent the function in the example with an equation? If so, what equation can you write? If not, explain why not. Yes, you can, because the equation y equals mx plus b, m is the unit rate. So the equation is y equals 4x. Number 3, in the example function, could one side length ever produce 2 different perimeters? Explain. No, because it is a function, the input values are only used once. Number 4, do the data in the table show a function? No, because 2 in the input row is used twice. The second part to that question says, if you switch the input and output values, would the data show a function? So if I switch them, then yes, because none of the values would repeat. Number 5, substitute the values into the equation to complete the table. Then state whether the equation represents a function. Explain your reasoning. It is a function because the input values are only used once. When I solve it, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, plus 1 is negative 9. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5, plus 1 is negative 4. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Number 6, a teacher wrote these numbers on the board. Negative 5, negative 3, negative 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6. The input-output diagram has been started using the teacher's numbers to form ordered pairs of a function. Put the remaining numbers in the ovals to complete the diagram. If the input and output values were reversed, would the diagram still represent a function? Explain. So negative 5 and negative 3 go together. They've been used. 1 and negative 1 go together. The next one would be 1 and 2. And then 3 and 4. And then 4 and 6. If the input and output values were reversed, would the diagram still represent a function? Explain. Yes, because the input values would only be used once.